Last time we have discussed about the intergenic interaction and intragenic interaction. Intergenic interaction means the interaction of the genes, alleles. Interaction of alleles and repair of same gene. Same gene. This is a intra-allelic interaction. And inter-allelic interaction means the alleles. Interaction between the alleles of different genes is called as inter-allelic interaction. Now see the example of intra-allelic interaction. Here example of intra-allelic interaction are nothing but these are the codominance and incomplete dominance. So see the first phenomenon, incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. See what is the incomplete dominance? So here in case of incomplete dominance, here both the alleles of allelomorphic pair express themselves partially. See, the phenomenon of incomplete dominance is that both the alleles of allelomorphic pair, here both the alleles express themselves partially, half. Both the alleles partially express. So when both the alleles partially express, intermediate characters appear. Intermediate characters appear here. Okay. So here no any one gene, no any one allele is able to suppress the another gene. Like in case of Mendelism, law of dominance. The law of dominance is not applicable here. Here both the genes partially expressed in the next progeny, afferent progeny. So here no any one gene is able to suppress the expression of another gene, another allele. See here, the example of this incomplete dominance is the plant Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa is a plant, flower-bearing plant. In the Mirabilis jalapa plant, we have to observe the phenomenon of incomplete dominance. See, actually Mirabilis jalapa plant produces two types of, there are two varieties of this plant. One produces red colored flower, red colored flower producing plant, red flower plant, and another one is a white flower plant. When we cross, a cross between the red flower plant of Mirabilis jalapa cross with the white flower plant Mirabilis jalapa. See, the red colored flower, the allelomorphic pair is that capital R, responsible for expression of the red color in the flower. Here capital letter, this is the allelomorphic pair responsible for expression of the white color in the flower of Mirabilis jalapa. So this is the parent plant phenotype, this is the phenotype, this is the genotype. This is a phenotype and this one is a genotype. When they produce the gamete, only one allele of this pair enter in the gamete, so capital R, and here capital W. When the fertilization occurs, this is the F1 progeny produced. First figure generation produced here. So capital R is with capital W. Capital R is with the capital W. Actually, in case of capital W, we can also take the small r. If we take the small r, same result. Small r, small r, small r. So here we have to take the capital R, small r. Here, but there is no dominance. There is no dominance of this red color. It is a partial. Both the genes, both the alleles express their characters, expression, partial. According to Mendel, it should be a red color flag. It should be, the apple print should be red color. But in this phenomenon, here the F1 progeny which have the gene for red color as well as for white color, but it express the color pink, moderate color. It produces the pink colored flower. So here red color and white color, both the colors expresses partially, and the resultant color is a pink. Resultant color is a pink in the F1 progeny, F1 generation. Now see, when selfing carried out in the F1 progeny, it produces two types of gametes, capital R, small r. But this small r is not recessive gene. Both are dominant or both are recessive. There is no any recessive or dominant gene. Both genes are expresses themselves partially, equal. Partially, sorry. Both genes partially expresses, not equal, but partially expresses. So capital R, small r. Two types of gamete produced by male plant, also by female gametes, and male gametes are same. We can check the next progeny after generation with the help of Punnett checker square board. See here, Punnett square board after generation. This is the square board. Here male gametes, female gametes. Male gametes are capital R, small r. Female gametes are also the same, capital R, small r. When these two gametes reaches capital R, this combination. Such results actually, such genotypes, the plants of such genotypes are produced in the after generation. This is the after generation. The plant which have genotype capital R express the red color, so this is the red. This is pink color plant, producing plant. This is also pink. And this produces a white color plant. White color. It produces a white color plant. So here, on that basis, we can get the phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio. Here, red is to pink is to white. And genotypic ratio we can determine as capital R is to capital R, small r is to small r, small. So we can count the red color flag. So here one red color flag is there. Pink color flag producing plants are 2. And white color plants producing plants are 1. So 1:2 is to 1 is a phenotypic ratio in the incomplete dominance. While genotypic ratios here, capital R, only one plant is there. Capital R, small r, two plants and this also have 1 plant. So 1 is to 2 is to 1 is a genotypic ratio also. So in this case, phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio both are same. 1 is to 2 is to 1. Both are the same here. That is 1 is to 2 is to 1, and this one is an incomplete dominance. Now see next phenomena, codominance. Codominance. Codominance is a phenomenon in which both the alleles of allelomorphic pair express themselves equally instead of partially. We must be right here equally. So the phenomenon is a codominance. Both the alleles of allelomorphic pair expresses their character equally. So here in this phenomenon, both the alleles of allelomorphic pair express themselves equally. Here both the alleles expresses their traits, their characters equally. This phenomenon we have called as codominance. Interaction of both the alleles in allelomorphic pair in such a way that both the alleles express their traits equally. So both the characters, both the traits expresses in the F1 generation. Here intermediate trait is expressed. Red, white, F1 progeny have pink color. So intermediate character is expressed. But here both the characters expresses equally in the F1 progeny. And this phenomenon is a codominance. See the example of codominance. Example is a coat color of cattle. Coat color of cattle is an example of codominance. Now see here, when the red coat cattle having genotype capital R made with the white coat cattle having the genotype capital male, female. One is male correct, other is the female plant. When perform the crossing in between these two these two cattle, one is of the red coat, another have the white coat, male and female cattle. So here, what is the result? See, this is the red coat cattle. Red coat cattle having the genotype capital R capital. This is the phenotype red color. Phenotype, genetic transmitted the genotype. Red coat cattle cross with the white coat cattle. Having the genotype capital and capital. Genotype capital and capital. Then produce the gamete. It produces the gamete capital. This produces the gamete capital. In the first female generation, F1 generation, both the gametes fuse. And the resultant progeny have the genotype capital R capital. When you observe this progeny, then you found that we have coat color roan coat color. and white color patches are also present on the same individual. This is called as a roan color. In patches of white and red colors are present on the core of the F1 protein. This is the roan. So here both red color also expressed, white color also expressed. Both the colors, both the expressions expresses equally, and this phenomenon is a co-dominance. This is the F1 protein. Now see, when we perform the circling in the F1 protein, it also produces the two types of domains, capital R and capital R. The F2 generation will check by current transfer mode. F2 generation. Male domains are same, capital R, capital W, and female domains are also capital R, capital W. So when these domains use capital R is a genotype, color is a red, capital R, capital W, this combination, this is a roan. And capital W, this is a white. So here the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio, red is to roan is to white. So red is 1, roan are 2, the white is 1. So 1 is to 2 is to 1 is a phenotypic ratio of codominance phenomenon. Genotypic ratio, capital R is to capital R, capital W is to capital W, capital W. So this is also 1 is to 2 is to 1. The phenotypic and genotypic ratio, both ratios are same as 1 is to 2 is to 1 in the codominance also. So this one is an incomplete dominance and this is a codominance. In both the cases, the genotypic and phenotypic ratio are same as 1 is to